Thank you so much to help me cross the street. That was very kind of you.
No problem. You know, next time you want to cross the street in Hanoi, just open your eyes, go check the house and don't stop.
That's good advice. I don't know what I was thinking.
Okay, by the way, my name is Heis.
I'm Nick. Pleased to meet you.
Pleased to meet you too. Where do you come from?
I'm from America.
You come from America. Are you enjoying your trip?
Yes, I'm having a great time.
When have you visited so far?
I've been to Ho Chi Minh's mausoleum and the One Pillar Pagoda.
What do you like the best about there?
Personally, I was very impressed with the way people were praying in front of the altars.
Wow! When drinking water? Remember who taught the world? That's Vietnamese traditional. We pray for the peace, for the whole family, and remember our father's sacrifice. Have you been to the Temple of Literature?
Not yet.
You must go there, because that's another holy place to pray for the good lucky before important exams, such as university entrance exam.
Why is that?
Because it's Vietnam's first national university.
Oh, really? Wow! I want to go there and wish for luck too.
Hey, I'm willing to be your tour guide if you want.